When God wants to make a man powerful, He always shreds him into pieces first. Never forget it's a process with God. Without pain, there would be no growth. So accept the pain. Embrace the pain. Because God is there to ask you, do you really want to achieve your goals? And when you start walking with God, people will stop walking with you. Not because they don't like you, but because you're about to sacrifice things they're not willing to sacrifice. And when God takes you to deep waters, not everyone will be able to swim with you. However, do not confuse movement with progress, because you can run in place but not get anything done. I want you to take a moment and think. Are you moving forward? Who are you taking with? And how are you making things better by God's given power? You have a gift. You were born with it. Now it's time for you to develop that gift. You need to do everything necessary to protect it, and then you share it. The process won't be easy, but trust in God's plan. Keep pushing forward and never give up. God bless you.